Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn how to find final year research projects, how to find research project topics, how to find thesis topics, how to get research ideas, and how to find free research materials. So in short, this video is going to be a complete package for you, so please watch this video till end. Welcome to Murad Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. So as I was telling you that in this video I will tell you how you can get number 1 final free year projects, thesis topics, research topic materials and research ideas. So let's start this video. First website which I will share with you is project topics. In this website you can find journals. Okay, let me click on journals. You can find latest journals from here. Then you can find project topics by clicking here. As you can see, there are so many project topics in front of you from different fields such as accounting, agriculture, applied sciences, architecture, banking and finance, environmental studies, environmental sciences, trade management, French, history, physics, philosophy, project management, political science, insurance, law, library science, mathematics and much more. What you have to do here is you have to click, for example, I want a research report on human resource management, so I will click on human resource management and I will click on human resource management tab. It will take me to this page. In this page you can see there are different topics related to HR, and one more thing, some of these projects are free and some are paid. Okay, let me show you both example. If I click on the first one, this is the free version. It's a free project, I must say. It's a complete project which you can use or write in your own words. I will recommend you to write in your own words, don't copy paste from here. I will go back to the page again, and if I click on this one, the valuation of industrial training, so this one is paid one. Okay, so this website you can find blogs, writing tools, and you can even search topics as well. So it's a very good website. If you are a researcher or if you are a student, you are looking to search some projects, you can also search here. Like, give me example. For example, I will search finance. I will click enter and it will show me topics related to finance. It will show me the project files related to finance which I can download easily. So the next website we have is edustore.ng. This website provides you project topics, department topics, you can hire a writer, okay, and plus much more. It also shows you different fields, different project topics and postgraduate materials. As you can see, there is a complete list from where you can select any one of them which is according to your area of interest and your field. There are more than 100 projects. Okay, so let me click on this one to show you. I will click on this one and I will click on, let me show you the first example of this one, the project file which is opening in front of me. As you can see, it's a complete project file, or you can say it's a short research proposal or short research synopsis. Okay, so if you want to find according to your field, for example, my area of interest and my field is taxation, so I will click on taxation and it will open the list of project topics. As you can see, there are so many topics in front of you. Let's suppose I click on this one and it will open the project file of that topic, as you can see in front of you. So you can get free topic and free project file from this website. So I will move to my third website. So the third website is sorry for the confusion. So the third website is project.ng. So in this website you can find tons of materials, tons of project topics, tons of research project materials and tons of research project files. Okay, so as you can see, there are so many topics. Let's click on this one and it will show you tons of topics from where you can easily select any one of them. If you click, for example, I open this file and it will show me the complete project of that. So make sure that the website which I am telling you, okay, the website which I am telling you, you will get free projects and paid as well. But keep one thing in mind, you will not copy paste directly from this website. Okay, you have to write in your own words. The purpose of this video is to give you just clear idea how you can find project files. So the last website which I am about to share is Murad's Web World of Websites. In this website you can find free research resources, topics, websites and much more. It's a very good website. If you are looking for research materials, you can find here for free. If you are looking for research guide, if you are looking for thesis guide, research guides, you're looking for finance journals, impact factor journals, research materials and research topics, you can find from here as well. Let me show you an example. I will click on research topics, so it will show you this ad. You have to click on this button. Okay, we have to wait for a few seconds. Let me close these ads. After closing the ad, you have to click on, after closing the ad, you have to click on skip this ad and it will ask you to allow the options. You will allow and it will direct you to the website which I am telling you about. Allow and close this one from here. So you click on skip ad and it will automatically open the website page which I am talking about. Here you go, research topics and journals in front of you. As you can see, there are research topics. Just click here and it will open. If you want journals, you can click here. If you want PhD free thesis guidelines, you can click here and it will give you websites like this. As you can see there, and there is another website which I opened in front of you. This website contains journals and databases. Okay, and then this website provides you free thesis topics related to PhD and MS and other fields. So learners, that's it for today. I tried my level best to share with you 4 websites from where you can find research topic, thesis topics, free project files, free research project files, free research proposals, free journals and much more. So that's it for today. If you really learned from my video, then do like my video. If you haven't learned anything from my video, then do dislike it. There is no issue. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. And don't forget to share this video with other people. And if you want video on any topic, then do comment down below. I will try my level best to make video on that topic, or I will provide you material related to your topic. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.